This recipe is really amazing. Here's a recipe for a delicious barbecue chicken chopped salad. Ingredients. For the barbecue chicken: 1. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2. Salt and pepper to taste. 3. 1 cup barbecue sauce, your favorite variety. 4. Olive oil for cooking. For the salad: 1. 6 cups chopped romaine lettuce or mixed greens. 2. 1 cup corn kernels, fresh, canned, or thawed frozen. 3. 1 cup black beans, drained and rinsed. 4. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 5. Half red onion, thinly sliced. 6. 1 avocado, diced. 7. 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, optional. 8. Half cup shredded cheddar cheese or Monterey Jack cheese. 9. Tortilla strips or crushed tortilla chips for garnish, optional. For the dressing: 1. 1/4 cup barbecue sauce. 2. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3. 2 tablespoons lime juice. 4. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. 5. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 6. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Prepare the barbecue chicken. 1. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. 2. Heat a grill pan or skillet over medium-high heat and drizzle with olive oil. 3. Cook the chicken breasts for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 4. Brush both sides of the chicken with barbecue sauce during the last few minutes of cooking, allowing it to aguera. 4. Remove from heat and let it rest for a few minutes. 4. Then, slice or chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Prepare the salad. 1. In a large salad bowl, combine the chopped lettuce or mixed greens with corn, black beans, cherry tomatoes, sliced red onion, diced avocado, chopped cilantro, if using, and shredded cheese. Make the dressing. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the barbecue sauce, olive oil, lime juice, honey or maple syrup, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper until well combined. Assemble the salad. 1. Add the sliced barbecue chicken to the salad bowl. 2. Drizzle the barbecue dressing over the salad ingredients. Toss the salad gently to coat everything evenly with the dressing. Serve the barbecue chicken chopped salad in individual bowls or plates, and if desired, garnish with tortilla strips or crushed tortilla chips for added crunch and texture. This barbecue chicken chopped salad is a flavorful and satisfying dish, combining the smoky taste of barbecue chicken with fresh, crisp vegetables and a tangy dressing. It's perfect for a light lunch or a refreshing dinner option on warmer days.